Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Choose green leaf lettuce seeds labeled for cool season growth and fast maturity, and pick varieties noted as leaf or loose-a-leaf for easiest results. Plant seeds 1/8 inch deep in early spring when soil reaches 40 to 45 degrees F, or in late summer for a fall crop. Avoid the hottest weeks. Expect germination in 7 to 14 days under consistent soil moisture and 60 to 70 degrees F air temperature, and thin seedlings to 6 to 8 inches apart once the first true leaves appear. Use loose, well-draining soil with 2 to 4% organic matter and pH 6, 0 to 7, 0, amended with compost to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. Water 0, 5 to 1 inch per week, keeping soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Drip irrigation or soaker hoses reduce leaf disease. Fertilize lightly with 10-10-10 at half strength, or apply compost tea every 2 to 3 weeks to supply nitrogen for steady leaf growth. Avoid overfeeding that provide 10 to 12 hours of sun or about 50% shade in hot weather to prevent bolting. A light shade cloth during midsummer keeps leaves tender. Control slugs and aphids with handpicking, diatomaceous earth, row covers, or insecticidal soap as needed, and rotate crops every season to reduce soil pests. Harvest outer leaves at 25 to 30 days for continuous cut-and-come-again use, or harvest whole heads at 45 to 60 days when leaves are full and crisp for peak flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.